Artemis program, NASA's return to the moon. Welcome back to our channel, space enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic to dive into, the Artemis program, NASA's return to the moon. Before we launch into this cosmic journey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update on all things space related. Alright, let's begin. The Artemis program overview. The Artemis program is NASA's ambitious plan to return astronauts to the moon, and it's more than just a lunar landing. It's a comprehensive effort to establish sustainable lunar exploration. But why go back to the moon, you might ask? Well, the moon has been a captivating celestial neighbor for humanity. Back in 1969, NASA's Apollo 11 mission landed the first humans on the lunar surface, forever changing the course of history. But the Artemis program aims to pick up where Apollo left off. Artemis is named after the Greek goddess of the moon, and it's a fitting name for a program that seeks to not only return to the moon but also establish a sustainable human presence there. But how does NASA plan to do it? Artemis mission components. The Artemis program consists of several key missions and components. Let's break them down. First, there's the Artemis Space Launch System, a powerful rocket that will carry the Orion spacecraft and astronauts to the moon. This rocket is a crucial part of the program, designed to be the most powerful ever built. Next, we have the Orion spacecraft, which will carry astronauts on their journey to the moon and back to Earth safely. It's designed to withstand the harsh conditions of deep space. The Lunar Gateway, a space station orbiting the moon, will serve as a staging point for lunar missions. It will provide a platform for astronauts to live and work in lunar orbit. And of course, we can't forget the Lunar Lander, which will carry astronauts from the gateway to the lunar surface. It's a key component in NASA's plan to land the first woman and the next man on the moon. International collaboration. What's even more exciting about Artemis is that it's not just a NASA endeavor. It's a global effort. NASA is working in collaboration with international partners, including the European Space Agency, the Japanese Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. This international cooperation brings together expertise, resources, and a shared vision for the future of lunar exploration. So, when can we expect to see humans back on the moon? Well, NASA has a timeline for that. The Artemis program aims to land astronauts on the lunar South Pole by the mid-2022. This will be the first crewed lunar landing in decades. Beyond that, NASA plans to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon, with the goal of eventually using it as a stepping stone for missions to Mars and beyond. Conclusion and call to action. In conclusion, the Artemis program represents a thrilling new chapter in space exploration. It's not just about revisiting the moon. It's about building a foundation for future deep space missions and expanding our horizons. If you're as excited as we are about the Artemis program and the future of lunar exploration, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow space enthusiasts. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on all things space. Thanks for joining us on this cosmic journey through NASA's Artemis program. Until next time, keep looking up, because the stars are waiting.